Hi ladies, my name is Ayo and I'm going to be showing you what you can do to change your battery, certain precautions that you need to take when you're changing your battery. As ladies, we all know that every now and then we have battery issues on our cars, and this is what you need to do if you ever face a battery issue. First of all, you need to locate where your battery is. If you're driving an American car or an Asian car like Toyotas, Hondas, your battery is going to be here in the bonnet area, and just like this car, you can see this is where the battery is. If you're driving a German car, on the other hand, you're going to find the battery in the boot area. And German cars, for example, you're driving a Mercedes, you're driving a BMW, you will find the battery in the boot area. So we're going to start off with this. Now, if you ever have a battery issue and you want to remove the battery because you want to change it, first thing you need to do is make sure your key is with you. So always turn off the engine and remove the key from the ignition. Reason why you need to do this is because if you ever change a battery with the key in the ignition, you can damage the ECU, which is locally known as the brain box. So with your key in your hand, find a safe place to put it where you know you won't lose it. Then proceed to take out the terminals. So first thing you need to do before you remove your battery is to identify the terminals. Every battery carries a negative terminal and a positive terminal. On the negative side, you would have a negative sign, which is a minus sign written there. And on the positive side, you have a positive sign. Some car manufacturers will go as far as helping you put a red plastic around the terminal so that you can identify the battery, the positive terminal, which you can see here. This carries a red plastic. Now, always remove the negative terminal first. The reason why we say this is when you're removing the negative terminal, you have disconnected ground from the whole vehicle. So if at any point in time the spanner or whatever iron you're holding comes in contact with the positive terminal and any part of the vehicle, you won't have a spark. But if you do it the other way around, there will be a spark, and that spark can lead to a fuse being blown or damage to any other component on the vehicle. So we're going to take out the negative first. And you can see there's a negative sign here to tell you that this is the negative terminal. Next, I take out the positive terminal. And you can also see here that there is a positive sign there on the battery. After you've done that, you can safely remove your battery from the vehicle. After you've removed your battery and you've gotten a replacement for it, you just take it and put it back into the vehicle the same way you removed it. Now, always put the positive terminal back first. So we take this and put it in, and then we put the negative terminal last. This is also a safety precaution so that you don't have a spark between the positive terminal and any part of the body. Also, if you're putting back your battery, try to avoid sparking the terminals. Sparking the terminals can damage so many things on the vehicle. So you don't just take it and start rubbing the terminal, this terminal around the battery. Just take it and firmly put it in once.